The cycle of life on Earth depends on forests. A delicate environmental balance is achieved by their purification of air and water. Maintaining this balance is the main challenge for our future. A new development reduces the need to cut down more trees. Recycled paper has successfully been converted into useful wood products. Paper recycling has helped greatly to conserve our precious forest resources. Paper is reprocessed into a variety of useful products to meet the increasing demands of society. However, eventually, recycled paper loses its quality and must be discarded. At Mie University, recycled paper has another use. For the first time, Professor Masamitsu Funaoka has successfully extracted lignin. Lignin is a substance that comprises about 20% of a tree's fibrous structure. It's like a kind of glue that holds the fibers together. Until now, it had been thought impossible to extract without destroying its valuable properties. Professor Funaoka's research uses phenol to protect lignin so that it can be separated with sulfuric acid. Firstly, phenol is mixed with wood fiber and absorbed. Then sulfuric acid is added to melt the surrounding wood fiber. The resulting extract is pure lignin.
I wanted to try using lignin for other purposes due to its hardy properties, such as keeping a tree's fibrous structure together and hardening the earth after a tree has rotted.
Now let's look at the process whereby lignin is used to reproduce timber products. Finely cut up paper is first mixed in water. The soft paper fiber is molded and allowed to dry. At this stage, it has very little strength. The soft paper is then soaked in a lignin solution for 10 hours. The final product is stronger than natural wood and can be made into any shape. It can even be recycled up to 10 times. It takes a lifetime for a large tree to mature. Careful management of forest resources is essential to benefit future generations. Developing new technologies, like the extraction of lignin, helps further progress toward this goal.